Everyone is talking about digital twins, but let's be honest, it's never quite as good as the real thing, which is why I'm glad that I'm the real one here. Yeah, nice try, but I'm the real one. Look at the micro expressions. You're just pixels, buddy. Whoa, drop the act, both of you. I'm the real Dom. Oh, you can stay. Oh, you can stay. Yeah, she can stay.
Okay, enough joking around.
Out of the 3 versions of me you just saw, which one do you think was actually the real person? Can you please type your guess in the comments? First one, second one, or the third one? And now for the full tutorial, which will consist of 2 parts. The first one is on how to create your avatar or digital clone and customize it. And the second one is how to create full videos like this one using that avatar we just created. And actually one part of this video will be created using that avatar. So let's begin. Here in HeyGen, I will click on avatar, then I will click on new avatar, and then you have 2 choices: clone a real person or create a virtual character, which you can basically design with AI or upload a photo. We will clone a real person, myself. And it's actually extremely easy to create. You can record via camera or record via phone. So scan QR and then join. We will here use integrated webcam from my laptop. So basic setup. Integrated camera, here I am. Hi everyone. And now just click I'm ready. Here are a couple of guidance, so speak with high energy and keep your position stable in the frame. So do not move around, but do have those expressions. Let's start recording. First we need to confirm that this is basically us, real me, so that we don't clone some other people. So 96. Now you can speak the things that it is being shown here from the prompter, or you can just speak what you like and then do your different, gesticulations and expressions of your face and everything. It is already done recording. You can do additional things. Let's click done. Name your avatar. Identity is protected. Only you can create with this avatar, which is great. And then click create avatar. So your avatar is being created and in a couple of minutes it will be done. In the meantime, you can choose different looks if you want. For example, here you have this guy in different settings, but for now I would recommend not generating those looks. I'll explain later why. Skip for now. Here, while avatar is creating, it is automatically cloning voice. So this is the first exemplary voice here.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone.
It is relatively similar, but since I have that slight Eastern European accent, it is rather hard to clone my voice, I would say. Then you can click record voice to try to get even more quality voice clone. So let's do that. Oh my gosh, I can hardly sit still right now because I just discovered something that feels like a total game changer. For years I wanted to share what I know. After saying the words up to here, it is minimum reached and then it is done. So stop recording. DOM voice generate. So it created 3 different voice clones, one from Fish, other from the 11 Labs, and the third one from Cartesia.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. Take a quick listen. A great voice clone.
I will check the one from Fish, but I will actually using my own voice. And after 2 minutes, here is our avatar. It is already done. By default here, it will use that cloned voice.
Hey Dom1, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also,
so you see nice gesticulations and it really did copy me nicely here. You can then use in video or edit look. Let's click on edit look. And as mentioned, you can use any of those look packages. For example, we have also this guy here. You see many different looks. You can create that, or you can search the scenes, for example, podcast, and then you'll get many other looks. But what I would actually recommend is to either take a picture of your own place where you are doing your own tutorials and modify it if needed in Nano Banana. So for example, I created this look using my own table, my own microphone, and then we can add anything you want here. Then just attach this look here from references and describe something like, put me in the look from the referenced image, do not change anything else. Okay, we can change wearing white t-shirt and then generate. And here we have 3 variations of that look. So for example, you see that is from the referenced image. Then you can do additional edits as you wish. Here, for example, I did dozens of different looks. Basically, you can create unlimited number of those, and then any of those you can use in the video. Creation of each separate look costs, I think, 2 or 3 credits, which is pretty good. And after everything is done, you can easily create videos by here choosing the looks, switching the looks. So I don't know, let's use this one. You see, it changed here, and then you can either type your script or upload or record your own audio. So if you type your script, for example, "Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel," then it will use your cloned voice. So when you click here, there you can change many different things from voice engine, Fish, 11 Labs, Cartesia, Panda, Starfish, Mockingbird, everything is there. Similarity, stability, style, until you get the voice that you like. So this is for entering the script manually. But what I am doing, because I'm recording my own audio, is you can upload or record. And here you just press enter or upload your audio. Here is the example: audio, add, and then generate. And then you get the videos, for example, like this one. I really don't like what is happening here in the AI video space, you know? Yes, it looks pretty nice. When your video is done, you can click here on Go to Project. And here you can do many additional things. Upscaling video, translating, new revision in AI Studio. So for example, when you click new revision in AI Studio, here is the full transcript of what you were saying. You can choose the motion engine, Avatar 5, Avatar 4, or Avatar 3. Also, you can choose, of course, Avatar. Here I have myself, and then choosing many looks. You can choose the layout from original, circle, and many of those things. And of course, completely rearrange what the avatar is saying. And then you re-render that same scene. Okay, now for the second part of this video. And this is how to actually make this full tutorial video, screen recording videos, together with talking head using your own avatar. So first, of course, you need to record your screen. For that, I'm using OBS, but you can use whatever you have or want to use. So you can also use HeyGen for that if you start from scratch. New video, and here just click on screen recorder. You can start recording or upload recording. When you click on start recording, you can choose a full screen, for example, here. 1, 2, 3, 4 test, 1, 2, 3, 4 test. Here I am. Okay, stop. It is now transcribing and processing video and publishing transcript. For example, here you can see the full transcript. This is just basic for a test here. And here is your talking head. You can move around that talking head and do what you want. For now, it is static and didn't do anything. Here you can choose different avatars. Then you can customize avatar background, remove avatar background, for example. You see now this talking head is without the background at all. You can use different colors, circle layout, original layout, for example, like this one, or circle layout. And after you are satisfied with that, for example, here, imagine you have the full screen recording of 10 minutes, and here is your talking head, your avatar. Then you can click render scene. Then this avatar will become alive. The other thing you can do is upload the recording that you've done. For example, I have recording in OBS, and then you can import that. But I'm using slightly different process. So here is part of my screen recording that you just saw in the previous part of the video. Here I am in CapCut. After you cut it, all of the silences and pauses in your video, then you can go to export, then click on audio and export all of the audio from your screen recording. Then you go to HeyGen, choose your avatar, switch your looks, and then click on upload or record. Here, upload an audio up to 100 megabytes. Here it is. I uploaded the 1 minute section, actually 50-second section. This one. Add audio, choose portrait or landscape, 1080p, and generate. Here you can change different things like motions, more expressive, suggestions like calm, confident, etc. I will leave all of that as is and then generate. This is the video that we received, and here is now that avatar talking exactly the things from the audio of screen recording. Okay, enough joking around. Out of the 3 versions of me you just saw, okay, then click on download video, import that video here in CapCut, or if you're using DaVinci or whatever, import there. Here it is, put it to the timeline. It should be, of course, the same length. And now what we want to do, of course, is switch between full screen of me talking, then small talking head, and then the screen recording. So in most of the cases, head will be somewhere in the corner. So for example, let's put my head here, click on add mask, circle mask. Nice. We already have that part. This one is too big. Let's then change like this. This now looks better. Then of course we can play around with many different things. So for example, if you would like to make this window of screen recorder slightly smaller, we can click here, basic, then let's scale it out like, for example, like this. Nice. This now looks better. Of course, the head is still too big, but let's leave it like that. Then, for example, if you would like rounded corners, select the screen recording, go to mask, add mask, rectangle, then expand this to the full size of the window. Now we have everything. Then just scroll down and round corners around 9, 10 should be fine. You see, now we already have round corners. We can make it more rounder. 14, that's okay. And then if you would like to have a background, for example, there, then you can go to basic, all the way down, canvas, blur, color, let's use pattern, and pattern, for example, this one. And now this looks better. And then you can also add shadows and whatever you need. Of course, remove the sound from one track and leave on other, and then this would look like the following. So let's begin. Here in HeyGen, I will click on, of course you can use other specialized software that will use that for you, but this is manual example that works pretty well. Of course, as mentioned, you can import whole your screen recording into the HeyGen here. As you can see here, it transcribed everything, and then you can choose voice with which your avatar will deliver that whole screen recording. You see here, choose avatar and choose the voice, and then render the scene. Interestingly enough, here you can also add motion graphics. So if you click on AI tools, you can click on motion designer, and here you have many different things. Now also we need to mention pricing. So for this avatar video of 50 seconds that I just exampled here, we spent 17 credits. And this is that full video with, I would say, pretty nice quality. So 17 credits. And here for $29 a month, you get 600 credits, which apparently is enough for videos up to 30 minutes. So I would say this is pretty good. And first time avatar creation, I think it costed 60 credits. So it's rather interesting to see what this technology can do. So please drop your guess from the intro below, and I'll see you in the next one.